How are you everyone? Welcome to Electrical and Computer Engineering Department. This is Communication Engineering partial view. Why I said partial view, there is also other device inside the shelf used to work additional experiments. Then, to talk the general information of Communication Engineering Laboratory, I prepared this experiment is nominated directory. It is used to indicate which types of experiment present in this lab. Then someone simply gets experiments list from this directory. In this communication laboratory, we give the following experiments. 1. Transmission media experiments like optical fiber experiments, microwave experiments, radio wave experiments. This one also another radio wave experiment. Twisted pair cable preparation. 2. Computer network type experiments. Wireless local area network, local area network, wide area network, voice over IP experiment. 3. Communication system experiments. This is data modulation and demodulation. Carrier generator and transmit data. This one also another communication system experiment. This one also the other communication system experiment. This one also the other communication system network. Then I will show some selected sample experiments and its function. 1. Optical fiber trainer kit. This optical fiber trainer kit used to transfer of data from one place to another place by using this fiber cable. This fiber cable carry information as the form of light. From this transmitter side, signals change to electrical to optical, pass through this optical cable and arrive from this the receiver part. It changes optical to electrical signal. After that, we understand the information. At this optical fiber experiment, we know at least these properties: bending loss, propagation loss, connector loss, and numerical aperture calculation and other properties of fiber. In the connector loss occurs at this point and bending loss occurs at the installation time, occurs by this, it is data loss. 2. Microwave trainer kit. From this trainer kit, we exercise understanding of standing wave, measurement of frequency, and how to control the attenuation loss. How to control attenuation loss? By this knob, we can adjust the amount of information and we can measure the frequency amount by this knob. After that, we can also adjust by this knob the data is rich or maybe occur loss. After that, we can show and we can see the data from this device. Number 3, TV trainer kit. This is used for TV maintaining practice and antenna installation. This experiment used for technicians how to solve television faults by using the problems displayed on this part. For example, the screen displays this vertical line. This is the horizontal IC problem. And also, TV displays on the screen a horizontal line. It is the vertical IC fault. After this, by observing this light, technicians come to this board side by replacement of horizontal and vertical ICs. For modulation and demodulation experiment. Before doing this experiment, we must understand what does it mean, modulation and demodulation. Modulation means that the preparation of data to transmit any other medium. But demodulation means decompose the incoming signal to the original form. Then we connect these components, and after finish this process, we can observe the modulating and demodulating data from this oscilloscope. At this oscilloscope, we can manage the decomposing of data or the incoming data at the receiver side. Number 5, wireless local area network experiment. From this experiment, we share information wirelessly by using this antenna. This antenna is propagate to the free space, and this one antenna at the client side receives the data by using this antenna. 6, local area network experiment. From this experiment, there is many components here. These components called media converter. The function of this media converter to change signals one form to another. Example, it changes signals optical to electrical signal and electrical signal to optical signal. From these 6 indicators, display light means it is okay and works functionally. After that, by using this FileZilla application software, we can share data from client to server and server to client. 7, voice over IP experiment. From this experiment, we understand how to transfer audio over Internet protocol. From this, based on this access point, we connect two destinations by this LAN cable. After that, we can configure this audio code by using individual IP address. After that, we can call and communicate each other. Why its function? It may be decrease the other additional calling price because it is used for locally communicate in one office or one organization. Generally, in communication engineering laboratory, there is many experiments to practice with our students and also other colleges students. Thank you for watching.